Hello guys, welcome back to the Pavilion. This video is about an unboxing and installation of headset intercom. It's a Bluetooth based intercom, it's called the BT-S2. I ordered a pair from AliExpress and I got it for $78. I'll leave a link to this product list in the description box below. And yeah, so I've actually installed one on this helmet. So this is how it looks while installed. Looks really good. The build quality is good and it's waterproof. And the audio quality is also not bad, it's decent. Worth for the price, I can say. So let's get to what is there inside the box. So what we have here is the Bluetooth module, and we have the earpiece along with the microphone. We have a user manual here and it's in English. And apart from that, we have a few more stuff here. We have a charging cable for this, and we have a clip for the Bluetooth module and fastening screws, and we also have a small screwdriver for that. It's a Allen plus star, but the screw that they've given is a star. And we have a Velcro, which in case you don't want to fasten it with the clip, you can just put this Velcro on your helmet, but it wouldn't be that stable, I believe. So let's get to installing it. I'd actually missed this in the contents. This is an aux cable, just in case you want to use it along with a phone which doesn't have a Bluetooth or an MP3 or a GPS console. You can use this cable, aux cable. So it has an aux input here. So you can connect this here and use it without a Bluetooth. So getting to the installation. This is a stud shifter helmet. The other one that I showed you was a stud scorpion, and it's a bit of a struggle to push this clip inside these helmets, because literally you don't see any space over there. You may want to cut this, or if you really don't want to make it a mess, you can actually push it, squeeze it in somehow. I'll show you how. So, and the earpieces and the microphone has this Velcro with it. It has a 3M sticker on it. So this basically, you'll have to find a correct spot on your helmet for the earpiece. That you'll have to probably put on your helmet and try a couple of times to get the perfect spot. And then you'll have to stick this on the helmet and then just attach this. But over here, this stud shifter's helmet, this fabric seems to be holding the Velcro without this. So actually I'm not going to be using this because it stays with the fabric itself. So I'm going to be running this wire for the right earpiece under this pad.
Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for.
So we have this coming out. We'll have to put our clip here so that it goes in perfectly. Okay. So here's the struggle. There's literally no space here, but we'll have to push this in somehow. done with that. Let me plug this in.
Yes, I did.
And that's it. Here we are. We're done with that. We need to long press this button to get it on. And you see the blue light flashing. And it's ready to pair. Let me just get a phone. So this is probably the device. It's not showing the name yet. It's supposed to show as BT-S2. Let me just try pairing it. So once it's paired, you can hear a beep over here, and I believe it's connected. Yeah.
Even
The
the
best
lights.
part is that we can attend calls. You can either set it for automatic, which would depend on the phone, 8 seconds or 16 seconds, it says in the manual, but again that varies on the phone. And the range they say is 800 to 1000 meters, and the speed they say is 120 kmph. So if possible, I'll go for a spin out and try to connect with the other helmet, and let's check out the range. Hi guys, I couldn't actually go for a spin in the morning, so right now I've come to meet my friend, and I thought I'll check the range of this. Okay, I've sent Jason with him. Jason is with my friend on the Royal Enfield. Let's send him far and let's see how far it goes. Yeah. I'm showing Jason. So I'm right now connected and talking to Jason, and he's yeah. So Jason is going straight on this road. So let's see how far he'll be able to hear us. Yeah, I think I lost him. Hello. Okay, I've lost him. So probably he's stopped right now. That's what I asked him to do. I'll set my trip. Let's see how far it goes. So right now it's in 0. Let's see. Oh god, this is just around 300 meters I believe. Oh, this is too bad. This is too bad. What is claimed was 1 kilometer, and guys, y'all can see that it is only 0.3 kilometers, which is 300 meters. I may do another run just to make sure on the highway when we have a better open space, but I don't think this is gonna go to 1 kilometer anyway. So I'm not really happy about that. Yesterday's test gave us only a range of 300 meters, which I'm really not happy about. And the testing conditions also I'm not very happy about, because it was not like actual line of sight. So I'm going to a highway now, test it. So let's see, let's hope for the best. I'll go for this one. So guys, yeah, we are here on Bangalore Airport Road. So I think this is a typical condition to check. So guys, I've pulled over here. With that station going there, and I think this is a pretty good stretch. I don't think this can be 1 kilometer, but let's see how far he can go without losing us. Hello. Okay guys, I've lost him. Let's see how far it is. I'll probably get him back now. Yeah. As you can see, it's only 0.5 kilometers, 500 meters. So guys, that's it. So we know the exact range now on a straight stretch. It's 500 meters, and the audio output is
It's okay. It's nice, good enough for a call and music on the flight. And the intercom 500 meters, I don't see it as a problem. But I'm just telling, it was claimed for 1 kilometer, but this is all I got. I don't know about others, but I got this car from AliExpress and this claimed 1 kilometer and 500 meters is all I got. But it's okay, I can live with it. So that's all for this video. I'll probably make another video of how to pair the BT-S2 with your phone and the BT-S2 to another BT-S2 and probably how to get into an FM mode. It's all simple. So until the next video, bye from Alex and Jason.